me. I wish she say obetukwan. Obetukwan. We are 2 days time and baby. Inti ko kwa okodi ono okodi 4 days. Tinko kwa anka my wife fight again. I say okodi a edan da ho. Anka my wife fight again na besha on emete.
Ye reading go abo ami.
Oh, a day.
Akaebenezer na me ye ma again ke si super pepe.
I don't come you see me and I
me use so story adobi.
Where's the best?
Let's see washing this a omo horo ne kama. We ye call ya ukofa wade. Eti ye nkofie na kohwe fie na trust na relax. Uwi a mama mo the Benz number. Then what for car? Uko baby. Obi a me shell.
me ba.
Hello.
Ba sorry.
What is into one on menana?
Business.
Hey, to what name yansa so beti ade na no. How? So this what mean trafia akowate.
So me dey suani ba wan cham so mentia no. Uto bi ho no ma otia no.
Sorry, okay.
It's fine.
So me to kwan tifia mentra no time. And hanu kwa nyame fe.
Are you serious?
Oh.
What's that when no?
So yeah, you know me kasa.
We no won
Me wa kunya me di good nkwa na aye. We no metim kwa me toke kame.
Hey.
Listen. No, they're not that best. Listen. Let me see. Who is that? Hey, sister. Kira. Oh. What are you doing here?
Hey, madam, I can explain. Hey, KOD na KOFAS. KOD.
Hey, Kira.
Opoku me say
Bla na sama ba wo said ye.
Kira, what did you do ba?
Okay.
This
KOD. Uko shi anga sister ni wa fa.
Oh.
What did you hear then wa ha?
no.
Oh sister.
That is my little sister. Uni ma here we the KOD. She's just 17.
Enya wo na be
Asam me.
enya wo na ma me de ba
Me.
wa mi o. You go hotel.
Shut up, Share. What do you mean to any hotel?
Okay.
You know she's just 17. Remember ya chi what so what's na make her show?
17 years.
We ni pa boni ni pa. Kira.
Yeah.
How am I not to even believe that you do the same thing when I'm not around?
Me.
I'll get to you there, don't worry. KOD, please. I need you to move out of the house. Baucho.
Iti we no be fast na wa ko bo man.
Ti me ko. Kofi poku. Me dia bi ko. That.
Lose my way. There for me. Yeah. Oh, what has all weather down? What they say, Kira? Oh, let me see me, bitch. Inti husa papa kwokra na inti no mane pe o ma ote ase no ankode wo ba ha be wo no inti wo da dwe hu mienu he me kasa no so da so tawo man of the house na kasa no ananim he Kira Krani mwa de a plaster de tron to mwa de man of the house of veteran when you kasa wa watch what you have so says I'm nobody and I'm talking rubbish. This is the bet. I will see a betty. Because my neighbor now the me many my form. I could get it was school my 17 years old. Say Mimi. Make a sound, won't it? Sure. A cranny moment. To send me to me about some tea. What's your conma? What the men me for? Or some bonus money. Because you can't stay in this house whilst you are not respecting me. You are the man of the house. Because Adam is a symbol. I'm the man of the house. Kira!
I want you deadly one, so more for twice daily. And Saturday lately, and Jimmy D. Obi Bay and Konya, my baby. I saw my candy pain, why am I sitting? Why am I sitting?
Babe. It's
I chum shake
Patri.
Oh, cool. Should I get you anything?
Have you on me? Okay, cool.
But they all by hand did further. I didn't. Why are you looking around?
Confrontation.
Baby, I didn't see my friend.
I didn't even see.
Do you know what happened? Do you know I found Kira?
Eh? Where? How?
Babe, in this house. What means say? Dana missing me too quite na me nyanko. I may ba fi her. Kira neti fi.
Mentase.
Whoa, couldn't you look alike? Oh boy.
And your man na goofy has you know.
Babe. Sir. So she Kira we you. Said then you. Just say. What's near Dada Kira? Emma Kira dinechi aba fi her. Sir Oluno ye Fira na Kira ni name Robert Top Benz.
What say?
Mina me catcho. She say e kanya min kwa ka dia me de beye no no.
Oh no, so beto Benz Amakira. No, to be to pick to man ho.
She say uti obi feel you live in my house. Or te say me too quiet me say me call 2 days no. Okofa obaba. Nyamin chadies wa nyo bia se miminya ketwa. No dini ba fia. Baby.
See no kasa unti. Wako swan nyama be goofy. And he's there. No, the house. I guess for what was the start that's now goofy.
Man, I just thought I was helping them out.
Where's Kira?
Sure.
For never na mention.
Kira. Kira.
Yes. Let's say.
What were you doing inside then?
I was just arranging my things.
Turn your tongue. Aquapa.
Yeah.
You can't go. Hey. Asama metse. Asama metse.
I was to stay there was room and Pamo. Couldn't you be?
I don't know what to do.
And I do what short in me.
Now when they saw the namfi, that me bet so we should have seen how she was dressed. When you know bunny boy feel.
Just say Yes, I better Benz a money.
Yes, 17-year-old. Ope Benz at seen me call you about and then can I me.
And no crank or down, Chena. Papa no who you know, on Sunday, Papa.
Nina. I'm speechless. Hey, a cat is one coming.
Babe! Hello, babe. Babe! I'm done. I'm waiting for you, babe.
It will be for.
Babe? I'm done. I'm waiting for you.
Me boy, man.
You are keeping me waiting. Huh? I could not washroom was hard.
Madam for a bag.
Hey, smaller. Hey. Hey, dear. Baby, I'm done. Let's go.
Maybe, well, give me a few minutes. So many guests, maybe say.
Oh, baby, you are choosing your guest over me.
Come on.
But I'm waiting for you so long.
Be with you soon.
Okay, I'm coming. Okwa Fremina me who answer now. Why? I'm in Pekakram. Bye. Babe, I'm waiting for you, babe. Babe.
Babe, maybe. Why? Maybe say. Babe, so
David.
Onu de onye shi.
David. O catch me say. Omoko.
No, onye me shi. Fafa, sit down. Come on. Why you behaving like that?
He had the guts to touch me.
Well, babe.
Hey,
Fafa.
David, when you are done sucking them, I'll come.
Fafa.
David, me.
Babe. Is she left?
Okay.
You if you are crying this guy.
I'll see open.
I'm ready. Let's go on to the washroom. Are you okay? Are you sure? I don't know what's there.
Oh. Nkashu na mpeso bukira.
Sa. Ato home na to I style.
Style sese.
Ata ubu na je. Home na so I basana.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah, sure. Me could have me so home. Ow.
Oh, say normal.
As your mom. Ata me bro so ne said me was 6 person me. Said visit here. The home na je bi o rekwa kudin komo se. Obe home boy. Ba all the same school.
Decline.
Wake up.
Oh,
Baby, wake up.
come over.
Wake
Like a coda of shame, but why?
Baby, I say wake up. Hold my hands. Hold my hands.
So,
I want one. One. One more.
okay.
So let me take.
Oh, yes, sir.
Listen, the kind now also there all can own me.
Oh, yes, sir. So there's a lot happening. It's here. Don't worry.
Anyways,
Never. Why?
trash week.
Figure it. I'm coming.
Your house. The man of the house. I'm waiting for that.
I want you deadly one, so move for twice daily. And Saturday lately, and Jimmy D.
Look, Samuel, when you feel
I saw my candidate, you know, why I'm sitting.
Kyodi. Hey, netting na once sano. Kyodi dear. Ke.
Why I'm sitting.
Ke. Meow, Opoku. Opoku wa wunia. Hey. Awele na no bi ku oda yimana. Me okay.
What do you want in my house?
Okay, really.
I said, what do you want in my house?
Na said okuku osuri.
You again? You again? Me free ufie, me do ufie amount. Baba be pa me baby ame de edi ebiem.
Efie na nya me dia wo. Obi dia na me timan ka se wo free me fie. Ona me kire no. Do wo call me hoto me ayete asumdue mu bat. O se me yonko no. Ana yesi yonko bi susinua. Inti o se me so mete won kaji. Na wo
ya ko wate na John Dumelo ada.
John Dumelo nya abotre ma me na me
kasemi. Get out of here. John Dumelo is sleeping.
John Dumelo nya abotre. Uti. This year scrap ya wo na wo ko. I said it would wolf free. Dumelo. Inti me baya yesi once na ni we kra no posane sem sebi oba ono say ye nya ntawantawa kakra bata no kra nhyɛ da ne ayi hihi.
Me dey no nya ntawantawa o. Me patro free akọ.
Emeto enuma bi kakra sem kamede bro na alisu be hia mo ne ewa hanu ti no.
What mo say wo de mo
na we milo pano.
Me ma just 3 minutes wa me so mu ni mo. Me de mo ne be hyewo ma be wo ma. Wo di opa jimi. The money be show ma kana wo boy ya wo kototo mo de abreme na wo ni me
no de me yonko no ma dwa wo nwa say wo hia me ma pable wa
wu mama nin kama mrem me mpa wo hwe what
ke wo do da so ne mo asema
me hia ho why wo na wo tafie fa why
ke wo ne mo asema
Majid free hako na John Dumelo is sleeping Majid get out of here
Majid mo manya ho adwen pa to ma sem de ba ka mo se me nko
Majid free hako why
Mami ma kakra ne fashion.
You know the girl respect, oh. You know girl respect.
Which respect are you talking about?
Wait, look at what you're doing.
Where I'm doing?
Look at you, what you doing?
I'm giving you money.
You don't ever give me money. Get out of here.
Oh, Pamome.
Kofiboku, 1 for 10, I said to Maladona, na Sabe, on your baby corner home. I dear Matiba Zawon home. Free hako, hey. A moon ubayama ube faka. Why we am the moon be show up I know. Free hako.
I'm sure I'm some of them a top level to know the talk.
Free hako, free hanako. Yako. How nemako?
Akewadi.
Mr. Me told you that we let them up your home.
Me go yako.
Free hanako.
Mama come on eh.
Yako.
Ke wona mama
Awo. Wo. Me say wo bona o tum su ajare. Tampiri na nyarga.
That's a kewadi wo wa military kamwa.
Me say
that's how we want them. That's how we want them when me boy.
Tampiri.
Kewadi me tampiri.
Me say ye tampiri na nyarga na mfuna.
That's wa military kamwa.
Me say ye tampiri. Free akọ ke Free akọ Kofiboku. Na wo.
Kewadi ma seven predators manya. Like me ran fi wa ma tino wa kai wo na
say wo be kai me o wo si na etu ama agere wo si e na etu ama ogere na yo
baby out tinya ma dwe wo ma to ade de bra wa
wo de wa de ma me aye dai
Kewadi
de me tie bia me
ko no
free hako
Kewadi at least me nyan kai me free akurase ba na age me tena wo
free hako
na se wa free me nche
wo ti passe sa passe a free hako padu hai sama Urina.
Good open Messako.
Asia Kofa inside the abreme. Let me say, Huruman Cosro.
There will be my class. I want you to a mona made the apron on one and no one on the cemetery, dear Pastor, bro. Coward my Joe, tell me, young poor. What I think I say, young poor, my Joe, what I dare some day, brother. Oh, Messako. Much loss of me bank crying and son, I bank crying. Okay, fine. Me back and son, I me back. None to be back to be so be to me by the channy.
I didn't care. I didn't care. I said, get out of here. If your paw, take your fucking paw. Yes, I take my John Dumelo. Get out of here.
We shall see.
We shall see what?
I brought to the Tinoma when I'm at 100%.
We shall see what?
And Tinoma, I'm at 100% coin.
Oh, keep going.
My dad gentleman, you know what jump on him, I don't want jump. At my market, I could dija. I didn't know my brother say, I won't penny a man. Nice, I won't want jump on him.
We are Jimmy for.
Tessa,
Yeah. Yana Kira G said. Timu Bonnie, we are not Mutamu Frenyame. A poor flu. Me, my mouth, Pintina. Who is Jimmy Tiny? Oh, you must say, actually, dear. Fight, no word ever come. Me ba to be baby. Na me papa me ke odi papa Yampiri na nyarga. Nzanwa na zekatimbina on zogopam. Je vous arrière. Attendez-vous. An repay j'avoue. Ampe.
When you purge your receipts.
Please, boy, what's my table, please? And when you purge your receipts.
Kira. Yes. What happened yesterday? Opoku so disrespecting.
Opoku? Me? How?
Have you forgot? You disrespected me and disrespected me and the whole house in front of this dining hall.
Oh,
What
but
happened?
then I was sleeping.
What happened?
Sister, I was sleeping there. And then he came. He was like, what am I doing here? I didn't mind him because I don't want to talk to him.
You do chill.
Please.
You
let's
do chill.
talk. Let's talk.
Look at how she's talking to me. Am I a children? Look at how she's talking to me. What dear?
Because I don't like you.
You look at all.
Kira. Why? Why don't you like him?
Mane hu ni papa ya me. The mane hu ni papa ya me ya sapra no akasa. The mane hu ni papa ya me.
Kira. And I haven't officially told you who he is to me. Opoku here is my boyfriend.
Boyfriend?
Yes. He's the man I'm with. Okay? It's my Paucho. The same respect you give me, I would want you to give him the same respect. Please. It's your opinion.
Please. Don't talk about that. Who? This one? He can never be my brother.
Kira.
What dear?
But since you're even older than him.
Ahana obi chilensim. Ah? Kuni mnaza cha sister penini.
Am I talking to you?
You two am I talking to you? You shut up.
Hey!
Kira. What dear pra umine?
Hey, uni kasasa sobe kasa we ninja. Kira, listen to me. I don't want to hear say you disrespected him again. What's Nameka Throne? Please. We weren't brought up like that. And I've been outside to say, who ye nyemasa? Huh?
And Krahana Bibiana could be a police station tia. Now Krana Zanga me 2 now.
Hey, Pacho. Hey, please, you can't say that to her, okay? I'm talking to her. You can't tell her that. Hey, that's how we are now. It's the same thing. So what do you mean?
I said defaka kra.
Ubeka iti one sem ofia.
Kra. I said the headquarters.
Let's sack this guy from this house. I don't want to see him.
Kira, please. Okay, I beg you. I don't want you to disrespect him in this house. Okay. Nashimeni me. Pacho. Why? Thank you. Opoku Pacho. What's it name?
Afaka kankan. Akao can be the Casimir.
Me Pacho. So the assembly say I know when you're butcher.
One okay, me I'm okay. Me fast and she me mosa. Just our premature here, me to be manaka.
It does.
For your information. She I'm the man of the house. And now it's open you should be an issue. And I said, be penny or to female Koran can. You would not come for a hobby. Meet me reading my own say. If we no call him, here be a Brahmin chain. To be bitter water so a Brahmin chain and meeting come up. Who hears Kakura Brahmin chain, don't hear be a Brahmin chain. I will give you. That's all I can see.
Okay, I've heard you.
Yeah, that's.
So you are welcome to this house.
Thank you.
Thank you, no, on your side, energy.
Oh, yeah, dang, Opoku, yeah.
Thank you, Bim.
Yeah. Why, look at your soul, so it's beginning, no one, yeah, but chef, why, chef, why? That doing to me, why?
Gotcha.
That's.
Okay.
Sister, I'm going to the room.
Talia Shano. Oh, Benina, Talia Shano.
Is that Tyrene?
Some Italian, cost the some Italian.
Where no more fear Qualaban and Saint Tyrene, no more shit.
As I would generous too much.
That's why I mean, you're back up any day.
Oh, sir, she is too young for this stuff.
That's why you need to understand. So, maybe I was so, sir. Eh?
A packet to shall we? A bed and killed in shower crown. Oh, a bed and killed in shower crown, emperor. It's so innocent.
Awesome on a small time, up a space, not that fun watching. Sometimes you act so childish. See, boy, I'm moving you so deep. Yamina wabo so fine. Down, I'm a shawty. Yamina wabo so fine. Down, I'm a shawty.
Opoku.
Ready.
Try this.
Right, what training?
And what name you may be here?
Men of division. Me and Lucy.
I dey free.
I can't say. I'm not on the toss, come to come out. Killed. As all call me Timmy Cosrana. Tiana, I may marry some Cosrana. We call Osimon per Didi Matem. Me, name Punano, my bed, Jennifer, and Sam now, and simply we did Matem. And no, come sit and come see what's wrong. I did not hold the bell 1 minute and Uncle Bone second.
There be also then, name planning where.
Someone make Cranham see me Baby Bissau. Killed the Patrol with him, Simon Bissau. Killed the non will be beyond. I said, I'm more champion, I was a show.
I'll go now, dear, and I say, why is serious?
Said it will see can be tremor, but I be imagining again, I be imagining a wife.
Namine Kodi will be young, I would come for you. Why would I do that?
Said another name, bro, see can I? Why do you want Jimmy? What is sincere children? What be Jimmy prefer me some and I didn't dinner
me
and I'm going to see up with all.
And yet, me, I be watching the girl for free.
Any baby trim when she say
me.
Oh, she. Oh, Gumani man say, oh, Obia say, oh. I'm original on conversation. We say, oh. And I'm fairly saying I'm trying my job menu. But anything.
It's in your out what a man and
one job of Namono cross out to bomb me. Or to miss a committee 1 minute or one, keep Uncle Bowen second. Ed Timatema Pomen. I may ask us the few I'm in a trusting Miss Obi.
Oh, I don't know, yes, sir. And I can't so free and nice to let the fool.
And they say to say, they are then they will fool.
Oh,
because
see where they are saying.
Fine girl, are you true? But man, and you're selfish. What an awesome cool. You a darling girl, and I swear you deserve it. No shot sound for when you see. I brought watch all of the lessons. Smoke one for your peace. Yeah, life may be race, it's a journey. It's a journey.
How have you been? I've been looking for you since. Well, I feel bad right now because I think I'm the main reason why they sacked you from the house.
All because of you I'm here.
Oh, I'm sorry. Then I'm disappointed in you.
For what?
Why would you lie to me?
Fache me, enyemia, what you say, enyemia. But also I'm disappointed on you.
Da?
Yeah. Why, how say, won't you, pa, now sister pa, and me, yes, I deal with now to now. Is it true? Is it true you are 17 years?
I'm not 17, I'm 19, don't mind it. She's just making things.
You are 19 years.
Yes.
And into me, my sister pa, kasa sana, what to pa, wabra want me, and kasabi, I may pamo me feel.
I can't say anything.
But you can't say anything.
Like what? What should I say?
You are 90. You
older than me.
I know, but you said you are 19 years. But your sister said you are 17 years. Huh?
I'm sorry. But why did you lie to me?
Forgive me, okay?
So you don't have anything?
No, listen. It's serious. Ebin so anka masa ankenye. Me no me feel you. Me pewasem. Every day bia metimi be gina ha me hunu say aha na bia betwam a metimi ehun metimi be gina ha fa untwam ene say ne otimi aduru ha no me I'm just like you me feel you just be yeah oh dog sister na ya move on
oh mommy pio she doesn't allow me to go out we cry me na me tete me hu di pie
said you tete wo a wodi pie no anytime bia you bet me and link you up then maybe feel you then I on still see them sir
and no do dey am dey but dey am me no am one of my man say I be no eti and then me no name when I be anything
I don't even think so was so coffee hope
every me sure him do dey am party is you not effect me on kono you know na next year and they are pamu free. Yeah, should I see a pamu? Near privacy.
And I said, I would die, will be dying or sick. And
I will cause a message as I call. Yes, I'm a whisker. As I must as if I go hand die.
When you say before for count.
Happy. That na made them killed it there. Happy.
Oh, and I never one to back.
I never could crack one. Chinga mbia me banana chinga bia me toy mi no bi ehim kran ko nyi ngom kran na ko man fa dia kamera wa ni ba ko kra abenne ti ne na man ti de jan ho ya be no anu edi ba ti anu we ya shek e ni kitchen cabinet ba ti mi she inside na be no ade
na me baby so pass over the day I must say me family been so na
and you training it.
Hey, okay, mucho papa. Mucho always.
Favorite.
Yeah, jollof.
I can make it.
Then I'll pay.
You am good meat and Vivia.
You what wrong?
Okay. Timisha inside.
No problem. What's it?
And I told you I asked them about when they clear the last slide.
Yeah.
Life is reciprocal.
Just said.
Now when himself film now dada uncle son dada
it's part of life no just vibes be near day
opa na catch me say oh this is who you are I will just take it like that but why would you like
and yes I near pema tro chira oba before then oba ni hu then any bian said who ya ye move on
into a can system one ka only me ada free
yes na ni benefit an ka benya no nanim can you benefit an ka benya no nanim
benefits ben
can you get more benefit but
pregnancy
ba fine
now bet me asha kwala no how have anything
listen she nyame ne hwe nipa enye nipa eni hwe nipa ebi kwa akola na nka wo beba no ono na de lack eba ebi bi kwan bi hwe me no se ye vibe ye fa wo koko me tuntum wo ye tietia me tenten etiji ntina ye chia na ye vibe to hwe se ye vibes if you attach you kra no then you feel
when you do 65
yeah 165 oboa
now it is
oboa more 40 years
40
yeah Minyini na oba kura ne be ma no emfa nyini ho emfa nyini ho ni nyina se metimi ahwe wo asa how I take care of you no anu ne hia enyini de kwai asa wo fili me wo fili me ntimi emebu ho a You say, okay.
Nekoto.
Okwakoto because me try ask me flow number na sa me flow enko.
Also me flow enko.
Okay, send my number na we issue. You bekasa. Ote. Forget you sister. Ote. Ono wa na lie o. Sister wo ye na lie. Ntu so ye lie. Ye de omu beto. If sasa nye me kwa me ntwa on tramp wan ko fie ho. How long na hu sister? Na che. Into BBC say no nani yim. Huh? Are you okay? You sure? Yankona mkoja. What? Forget you, sister. Why?
I love my baby so much. I love my baby so much. I forfeit to buy you 2 cars. I forfeit to buy you 2 cars. If I make come, I go make you chop cash. I go make you chop cash. If I make come, I go make you chop cash. If I make you chop cash.
Young lady, where are you coming from?
I went to see a friend.
You went to see a friend?
Yes.
Where?
Just here.
Tambe na uba has to say when you're down for just here, no? Eh? Why did you not text me?
You weren't around.
Why did you not? That didn't answer my question. I said, why did you not text me? Kira, Mempesa, I told you are not allowed to leave this house.
Why?
Are you serious? After what just happened? Huh? You're asking me why? Don't you know it's my duty to protect you?
But since I didn't go anywhere.
Do not leave this house without my permission. And this is the last time I'm saying it. What's Nameka no? Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
I've heard you.
You're so childish. See, oh, you're moving your sati. Yamina wabo so fine. Down, I'm a shati. Yamina wabo so fine.
Ahuofe. Look, it's not like I'm a bad person. And it's not like I want to come between you and your relationship with your newfound love. You're like a sister to me and I love you. But I don't understand why you will get up and go and carry such a thing to be walking around with and call it your boyfriend.
Babe, why do you insist on calling him a thing?
Now, yourself, if you see that thing walking around you, do you classify that thing as a human being? You've gone to carry filth to come and put in your house to live with it. Oh, come on. We both know it's true. It'll be all bad. Just look at what he's wearing. I don't need Tari.
That's his style. Ne style, no.
Nede?
Ne style.
What's it there?
Style.
Oh. Nede man style. Who ex you cry a friend say? Or no cry a friend as a mirror if you need it.
Oh.
But come, should there we come. Now we're so doing now we're investing in him so that he looks more appealing. Eh? How do you feel when you carry that thing with you? And you
Babe.
oh yeah, thing, made a track. Oh.
Fafa, you know what happened with Paul? Sure, look at everything I did for Paul. Look at how he left me. Eh? I'm just trying to see, I'm just trying to take things slow. See how things will go. I don't want to just jump and then start doing things for this boy. Now later, wako jaime. Do you hear what I'm saying?
So, because of our past, then, you will carry ball and be roaming around with it. I know, let's be honest with ourselves. Whenever I enter here, the place smells different. And I don't know what else you want me to tell you because because of your past, you will sit there and be carrying that thing and be walking around with it. How do you feel when you go out in public with it?
I mean, love is more than appearances. It's more than how people look, okay?
Did you say love? I'm not crying, Kodanche. Why did you call me here?
Bra, why? Tea the make no tea. Baby, at that very day, me say road no area ho no ma why yes area why na me wo ti me etina make I know minim unsa me pewasem but at least eso timi bana be hwe baby a mesome wo so misraw sisi awoy ufi obi enu a wi awu na nka brei why wo de bra enya hwe wo de oba memo akotisi a mema wo nche ti de meka no minim say ye dia usi into the opa so obi ya wo betimi aba why mate why wo de wo ba na wo dru sa junction ne so a wo de no aframe me why why me ma phone na ben me why okay sure
Hafa. Like you mentioned, you're like a sister to me. Okay. I need help with Kira. You know, since she came here, I have not been allowing her to go out. And she keeps complaining. And I know I can't keep her in the house for too long. I don't know what to do with her.
I really don't know why. I mean, how old is she now?
She's 19.
Oh, how was she? 19. And you're keeping her in the house?
But the last time she went out, man, who know, 2 years.
Come on. We both know why, eh? When we understand now, what's not so sad, that's when she run away. She's old enough. Are you not living your life?
I am, but I'm old.
Oh, don't do that.
I'm grown.
Don't say that. She's what? She's 19. This is the stage where they rebel a lot.
Babe, she's still very naive. I don't know,
I understand you, Mitwase. But when we understand that they be all kind of shit, now we say money, say, and money, she will get up and run away again. Eh? The only thing you can do for her right now is to act like the big sister she actually needs. But if you're trying to act like her mother, she will run away again.
She needs to be protected. We understand
now we'll push her far away from you. She don't do that. Just give her the space to be herself. Allow her to, be the 19-year-old that she is. That way she build some trust between Uneno. If she has anything, she'll come to you. But she'll be hiding things away from you. And you know, be out now here, with Johnny Alhoswa, or could Koji replicate, abedrufi.
Nina Namwa.
Eh? Eh? Into women on the side, to woman, try and be warm with her. You can, try and act like you guys are even age mates, but put some boundaries to it so that she's comfortable around you. But with the bill, high. Now we'll protect her. Now we say you rather drive her far away from you. What do I say?
What can matter?
I'm not here to be involved in your life too. No say, oh, so nipa. Maybe right now, not so, or sure say, Jesus. Suffer pain. Something. Eh? Let her know, someone so nipa, you go through the same thing she goes through. She'll be more open with you. What do I say?
That's why I called you. I need you to come here often. At least, she respects you a lot. You know that. So when you come, you can at least help me, talk to her. Now here, baby, now she can't come to me, she could at least come to you too. What's la mechanism?
I have one condition.
What is that?
Just make sure, say me baha.
Oh,
I'm finding home, baby. Oh no, I'm being serious.
He's about to be your brother-in-law.
Please. And I don't know where I find another sister-in-law for him because I'm not doing that job.
Hey, why are you doing that? He's a nice boy.
Where?
That no boy, not the town. He's a nice boy. You should see what that boy is. He's a nice boy.
Nipa na ni tree who to say more bono. Ho. When dear be nice boy. When na nefu kesi ase we di banku 10 million years a she nefu kesi esa no. Ho. Be realistic with yourself. Fafa, dear big.
Oh,
Is this where you live?
yeah.
Oh, I see.
That's it. Yeah.
Thank you.
You welcome.
So this where you live?
Oh, yeah.
So why were you lying?
No, but it's part of life. Sometimes, hana me wono, namu me kwende, namu yuki. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Me papa nyina wo yuki. But sometimes, hana me dane kakra. I'm sorry. Na me no wa, me nka simbi ntro. So the metro no.
Are you sure you're not lying?
Oh, yeah.
You're sure you're not lying?
No, I'm not lying. How can I lie you? I said I love you. How can I lie you? If you love somebody, then you lie somebody. Can be possible. Can be possible.
Okay, I've heard you. I just wanted to know where you live. I have to go back home. My sister is waiting for me.
Oh, you go back home now?
Yeah, she...
No. What about chances here? What's say coffee? Huh? And then da me who so dummy. I feel me who says I would dummy pa. No pia what about chances here? What's coffee? How?
My sister, on my time.
My name sister. Sorry. Oh, Charlie. And you them na me package.
I could feel.
Oh, maybe I didn't natural.
Dad.
Just so you know, I'm just.
I know what you're trying to.
No. It's not about choco. No.
It's what?
It's just me the idea.
Kofabra.
Don't connection.
Hey.
I'm just give you surprise.
Surprise?
Yeah.
Don't bring it.
No, let's
have to go inside your room.
Oh, let's roll and see something. Oh, it's not about this. Oh no.
Okay. I don't think I can go inside.
Huh? Let me see.
Tell you what?
No, let's go. Listen. Let's go. Get connection.
Okay, go and bring the surprise.
No, listen. I can't bring the surprise out. You let's go inside and seize the surprise, okay?
Hey.
You know I love you.
You're lying to me.
No, I'm not lying. Let's go.
No, I don't think I can go. Next time I'll come. I'll follow you inside.
Why are you doing like that?
I said next time, just listen to me.
Why are you doing like that?
Oh God. You are making things difficult.
No, you wanna make things difficult.
I know, Miss Sam.
Just Shade. Oh, Shade.
Man, Shade.
Oh.
Person woman.
No, woman. Oh.
No.
I don't so call power.
No, I'm not going. No. Next time I'll come. Don't worry. Next time. Just by escort me.
Let's go through.
Oh.
Come and see something.
See what?
Dear Mr. You do 1 minute collab, dear. P. Can you just say for what?
Okay, what am I going to see inside?
Let's roll. Let's go.
Just bring it out.
I can't bring it outside. Oh, come on. Let's go, okay? Yeah. Why? You go.
Next time I can't go.
Oh.
My sister is waiting
Your sister waiting for the so cool.
Hey, why by force.
It's not.
No, you are making things. No, I don't.
Hey, lady. Hey. Hey, cause me see I want I'm not a man. Hey, come walk. I quite will like you. Yami dinechi brutal. Tembia. Ebe satibia na bibia betem. Huh? What is Starling Jay any 3 months along? I'm one of my Starling Jay in your benani. Huh? You could treat chichira. Can you waste? Hey, Puppy Penny now, how are you? I'm Papa Yinipa. Take a cranty. And then go where them one eye in the fanning, Ramana.
Oya wupu sese nampa medaya mena minjina hanka obi pen kwankwan obi panalanta mala migela mawini de chinchinga onjinda wanjimbra boys nya yanka me chansamba tintin tu tinga mama yentwene pi twefenta yebenya so
I'm coming.
na jumpa ni da junjun so
Hey, Kira. How are you doing? I'm good, are you? I'm it's really nice. Thank you. Kira, how are you enjoying your stays over? You know, here it's boring, but I have nothing to do, so it's too late. What's your sister?
She went out.
She went out
Yeah,
alone.
without boy.
That her boy again, eh? So she's happy carrying that thing with her when she's going out, eh?
You know, I feel so embarrassed because he doesn't even know how to dress. If you see the way he dressed out with her, oh God. You know, I can't take this anymore.
I don't even know what to say anymore. Because of this same boy that she's been walking around with, most of her friends are no more talking to her.
Really?
Yes.
So why don't you talk to her?
Ebiani. Make her own see. This is the reason why these things keep hovering about. Because since when did these things come into this house? Wait, I could swab all a bit now. Basa chakanyama.
Oh, I think you should sit down and talk to her. I don't know what to say.
You think I've not tried my best?
You did?
What kind of advice haven't I given your sister? She doesn't want to listen. No, she says she's in love. She's in love, so we should leave her alone. Anyways, I didn't come here just for Uli. I came to see you and talk to you.
Talk to me?
She wants me to, help her talk to you.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. So right now, what are you doing?
As you can see, I'm just here.
You're just here. You're just in the house. You're not doing anything.
Nothing.
Okay, no problem. So you and your sister, how are things going between the two of you right now?
I think you should ask her.
Oh, Kira, come.
What do you want me to say?
You have given her a tough time.
Yes, because I want to leave the house.
Don't say that. Why would you say such a thing? You know she's your big sister and she loves you. Hey, she wants you here. She's been looking for you for so long.
If she wants me here, I think she should sack that guy.
You don't worry. I'll talk to her about that. Okay. But when it comes to you and her, why don't you try and, open up to her more? Eh? Allow her into your life. So that she knows what is going on. That she knows exactly how to guide you on the right path. But if every day you people are fighting and she's talking and not listening, how would you people make any progress? Kira? Are you listening to anything I'm saying? Kira?
Are you done talking?
Hey.
Do you advise her at all?
What do you mean by that?
I mean, do you advise my sister?
Of course I do.
You do? Then I think she doesn't listen to your advice. Since she doesn't listen to your advice, I'm not going to listen to your advice.
Hey, Kira.
So yeah, everybody's living this way life here.
Kira, you're just 19.
Well, can I ask you something? Are you dating?
Of course. I have a boyfriend.
Can you describe your guy to me?
Don't do that.
Why?
What has this got to do with anything?
Okay.
Hey, Kira. Kira, it's just simple advice I'm giving you.
I've heard you.
Hey, Kira. Just to live in peace with your own sister.
When you're done talking, let me know.
Awesome mom on a small time, up a space, not that fun watching. Sometimes you act so childish.
Hey. I'm very sorry for what happened the other time. You're not supposed to do that to me. Eh? Why do you have to force me into your room? Don't be doing that. I'm sorry for that. It won't happen again. Okay. Why?
It's a gentle now, bye.
Many account of you on a buyer now.
Now, one in can also now, sister, only fee.
So, I'm saying, sister, Yenisa.
Undisa.
Yenisa, Yenisa.
Your sister couldn't know show.
Don't even talk about that guy. My pen has sent back to say, in your crank and uncle with free fee or no. No, free from.
Now, can you permanent free fee?
Mera Pamono. Sister boy, meet me Pamono. So, is my sister Dono. Meet me Pamono. And our dear boy never can and one, my sister Betsy. Do you have a town or Fiona?
And she's a boy in the free fee one can only be Joe.
Any better palm.
Tarentina only sister and Cassana boy in free fee.
Then I menka. Then I make a turn.
Eh? Oh, sister, oh, yeah, Dibia. I said, I could dog boy need too much.
Exactly.
And he untimin can boy nasim. Obeana boy ne we ni sika na boy no onye ni papa.
Sir.
Se man hwe ya boy ni se de besia house sister no. Boy ni betimi a creative problem abeto no sister ntem. Hwe on pe sister. Boy ne ka nuru pa ni bone. Otu nuru. Hey, hwe boy no nusem. Me once upon a time I go to UK. Maybe sika me free UK buy. When we am sika san. Boy na mama before mo.
Are you serious?
I'm talking serious. Boy no na mama before. Na o se boy ni free fee wan ka ope. Let's show kwan bi ama boy na free fee what? Say o pay.
Maya. Oh, Maya.
Let's show some lie be. You be think come up met what there. I'm a quiet boy and be fast with free fee home. And yes, our boy no Obama no sister nya problem. Onye di pa na kaji nti na wo hu ni nature na so mpenase.
Pakasem.
Onye papa. O ba no fie ho.
No sister no te wono.
Betre wa dibi. But me cancel bi atro. And I'm what they are obey and a quiet over for so boy to be free feel.
Correct.
Cause do you like you know? And the same here surprise me. The same them in a British book waro.
Sir.
Because senior here some pa a man on that bench a day you know. You're part of them. But say, when you're bare mama, the way I see don't know. I really love you. I really love you.
Are you sure?
Hey. Oh dear. Life goes on, everything for more. But boy, in a day, I didn't metro. Yeah, man, in free feel.
Okay. Me.
And yes, I will need that. Say we are gone. The same one is a mango abreno. That will brain a tie. Take it to say, bum, take it to say, bum, take it to say, bum. Are you there?
Yes, baby.
Man, no. But give me say, bum.
J, I say, give me some more. Take you to the mall, take whatever you want. Make me on the low, your boyfriend or for no. Sex on the first day doesn't make you a hoe. What's up, mom? Mama no more. What's up, mom? Mama no more. I'm in your best thing that could ever happen to you.
Are you satisfied? Yeah, I am.
Sure. I mammy share is YD card and several phones. I mammy. I shall say, I'm past 17 feet.
I'm 19 years. You can check.
Oh, mammy trying to my phone so placo. It may be not fair. Never cast away, so. Good. I'm seeing you didn't come over. But I mean, my pet, 10 million be a yard there. 1,000.
Kunyaman.
Hey, and it's also a Juma or Hopa. No, sister, not it. This ocean near may be what in a bag in the Bicifia. Now, go back and not be there. Which you trim crack song.
But that's stealing.
No, it's not stealing.
It's what?
It's not stealing.
It's what?
It's close.
Close.
Yeah.
Close. What's close?
Oh, something like, I get you close. It's a close. It's not stealing.
Are you sure?
Oh, yeah. It's not stealing. Sometimes you have to look sharp. And yes, our boy and a boy not for no big uses. Boy, be in it, yeah, kawaii.
Oh, okay.
Obisa or fuck book would be a horse in your ultimate monster.
But I can't lie.
Oh, try to lie. Once you are a woman be, try to lie. Hey, we woman be any pound chantro. Huh? And try again and if I'm through to dintro jalentro.
I'll try and see.
Try.
Okay.
Hey, and also tomorrow, what do you think come off white?
Okay.
The back casa be brave, what? I'm sure that man. Are you satisfied?
Yes, I am.
Hey, Coco, no. Coco, be the wait for me. Then I'll call for a punter. A woman. I'm only saying yo, a week around.
A solo papa.
A hen as a show. Hey, say, put you say, Bambano. Back to the other control.
Odo papa, wana nubinya. 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 Ode nije na washa mama. Oda kabibi achama menywajo. Odo pana menya nidemi. Odo pana menya nidemi.